What's the meaning of clipper? Clipper. Clipper.
Clipper. Clipper. The term clipper can refer to several things, depending on the context. In general, a clipper can be a type of ship used for fast sailing, or a tool used for trimming or cutting hair or nails. In terms of electronics, a clipper can refer to a device that limits the amplitude of an electric current, or a software program that allows users to save and manage information from web pages. Overall, the meaning of clipper varies based on the field or application in question.